And that is the centrist political group No Labels, hitting back at operatives in court who sought to undermine the organization's public image. The Washington Post reporting that unsealed court documents showed the group's founder, Nancy Jacobson, was made a target of efforts to, quote, socially stigmatize her. No Labels was also subject to a fake website that connected the group to Donald Trump and his allies in an attempt to sway public opinion. In a statement, No Labels legal advisor Dan Webb said, quote, "This goes well beyond typical political hardball. It was a conspiracy to deny voters, deny choices to voters, and an assault on our democracy. No Labels is fighting to expose this anti-democratic behavior so that it is never allowed to happen again." You know something about internal Democratic politics.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not typical hardball. It seems like typical hardball.
No, I mean, this was, I think there's a lot of frustration in the Democratic Party that Nancy Jacobson was more concerned about raising money for herself and her organization than actively trying to contribute to the Democratic Party. And I would hypothesize that, well, she wasn't running as to be part of it. She wasn't organizing this to be part of the Democratic Party. She was trying to create a third party. But what I question is, I don't think their motives were pure in that sense. It seems like a lot of the donors that gave to No Labels were very interested in Republican tax policy.
Right. But in fairness, she, Mark Penn, people associated with No Labels were openly anti-Trump, explicitly anti-Trump. Cheyenne, Republicans have engaged in this behavior as well. Cornel West, Republicans worked to get him on the ballot, Cornel West in North Carolina. Republican lawyers worked pro bono to get Jill Stein and the Green Party on the ballot in Wisconsin and Nevada. So is this a fair criticism?
I think it's not, because of that very reason, right? I think what we're seeing is the sort of trouble Democrats have just to be a coalition together. If you either want Donald Trump or you want your Democratic choice, and you got to sort of make a decision to see how that's going to happen. So sitting there and then yelling at the people that you were hoping maybe over the other, I don't see how that's helpful at all.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.